Hey, welcome Orange Track TV, going on a roller coaster ride. So why I'm having a little fun instead of Hot Wheel hunting, I want you to watch this video. Okay, let's go. I think it's stuck. Hey, it's stuck, a little help. Oh, never mind. I'm out of here.
Hey, today we're going to check out a Walmart. We're going to go in here and see what we can find. First up, looking at some Disney cars. And right behind me is the Hot Wheels. Nothing's changed lately. Same old Hot Wheels. I'm not going to look at them too hard. Man, this Lamborghini, I thought it'd be hard to find, but every time I turn around, there it is. But I guess that's a good thing. Plenty to go around for everybody. We got some of the Forza Horizon 4 cars. Not too many. The Aston Martin. Let's see what we got here. Not going to spend much time on these. I already made a video with these. So that's what's in the set. Didn't read them out to you. I think you can read them on your own, or you can just pause the video. You want to check out. There's some more Forza. Hey, what do we have here? Toy Story. Alright, the RC car. How cool is that? I finally found one. Seen it many times, not in person. But how awesome is that? Great little addition to my collection. That's awesome. Awesome little find. Not too much on the back. And lo and behold, right underneath it, the Pizza Planet truck. The infamous Pizza Planet truck. Wow, yo, I am so stoked to find this one. Wow, 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 wow. This is awesome find. Find both of those at the same time. This must be my lucky day.
Ah, can you give me a sentence with the word Isthmus in it?
This must be my lucky day.
Man, it's going to be a great, great addition to my collection. Loving it. Okay, let's see if we can find anything else. Let's find out. Just some X-Men, some DC Comics, Batman. Oh, hitting over here at the Matchbox. Oh, the Star Wars little set build a Death Star. Yeah, I got 7 of the pieces. I got 7 out of 9. I need number 3 and number 5 to complete the whole set. And then I'm gonna build that Death Star. It's gonna be pretty awesome. Hey, a nice little Jeep here. Haven't seen this one before. I like that silver. And another Jeep. Pretty cool. Yeah, I like that Jeep a lot. I like both of those Jeeps. Okay, add it to my little pile going here. Got that Jeep already. Some color changers, some 5-packs. Just trucks. Nope, I don't have any just trucks. Here's some Tomica. The Lexus. It's a pretty cool looking Lexus. I like this semi right here, that carrier. Some M2s. M2 machines. What do we got here? The Chevy Camaro RSSS. Some more M2s. Haven't had much luck finding a chase on an M2. I don't look at them like I should for some reason. I probably passed many chases up in my endeavors. But that's about it from this store. So let's go ahead and jump to another Walmart. Here we go. The Roadster. Kind of looks a little bit like the other Lamborghini. 50th Hot Wheels. Still finding some 50th Hot Wheels at the Walmart. There's the Mazda RX-7. It's a nice little car. Another Mazda. The Honda Civic. The Chevy Chevelle is pretty nice looking. Oh look, the Jaguar Carry-On. That's pretty nice. Still 13 bucks, a little bit out of my price range for one car. Well, I mean, you get the truck and the car, but I still not yet have pulled a trigger on one of those. We got the Nissan Fairlady right behind it. As you can see, it's one after another. The Mercedes. A lot of Mercedes-Benz hanging there. But I will not be getting that Jaguar at this time either. So let's go ahead and move on. Oh, wait a minute. Another RC car. Wow. I think I might go ahead and get that one. That way I can trade it or maybe even give it away. I'm not sure yet what I'm going to do with it, but it'll be a nice little trading power. Trade for something that I need. I do need the Camaro Treasure Hunt. The regular Treasure Hunt. I have not yet found that one yet. Here's some Matchboxes. Yeah, looks like somebody put them all in line. This is a pretty neat little 5-pack. The Coffee Cruisers. Definitely need to pick that one up, especially for the hearse and the police car. That's the two I really like in it. Let's see. Oh, here we go. Some more M2 machines. The Nissan Skyline. These are pretty cool with the moon eyes. Got that black and yellow one. Ah, look. There's nothing there. Okay. Not the best video there. Look at that Nissan Fairlady. Pretty cool with the moon eyes on it. Nice looking Skyline. Oh, same one. Always worth a second look. And then we got the black one. It's pretty cool. Well, that looks about all I'm gonna get. Alright, thanks for watching Orange Track TV. Don't forget to subscribe, ring that bell, and make sure to hit the like. Don't forget, plenty more giveaways coming out. And thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.